What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's a dude in a box truck. Back at work after Labor Day. Already got an 18-wheeler for breakfast. By the time y'all watch this video, if you watch it on the debut day, you'll have a day of work already, so y'all have a day to recuperate. It's Tuesday, day after Labor Day. We getting it. I'm tired, but let's do it. Got another one backing up. We're bottlenecked. One day off. Got a bunch of trucks the next day. Got the truck done. It was about 100 pieces with screens and stuff like that. It wasn't too bad. About to load up these big trucks over here. Take them to the mountains. Well, we got one truck fully loaded. This is one job. This is the job, if you watched last Thursday's video, I said that we were gonna do this one either Tuesday or Thursday. Well, it's Tuesday, baby. We got truck number 3 rolling up. Might be a long day, ladies and gentlemen. We got the second truck loaded. The stuff on your left is one job, and the stuff on the 3 doors on the right is one job. We got panels too, it looks like. Gotta put them on. Went from that truck. Had to bust out the third truck. Killing the game, man. 3 trucks today. And a whole bunch of 18-wheelers we had to unload. Like I said before, it's gonna be a long one. We just fed the trucks their breakfast. About to start this journey. Road work in the mountains. Making these roads nice and smooth. Pulling back up to the mountain shop. I'm sure y'all seen this a time or 12. This dude's full. Oh man, look at that nice truck to the left they captured. Boom. Get them backed up, get them unloaded. Might be all right there. You got the whole truck coming here. Yeah, buddy.
Yep.
All right, go ahead. Oh shit. Good?
Yeah. Gotta get a little lane to it.
That's what they get to see every day. That's the one we're looking for. At least for this job. We got them all delivered. Side walls, side rooms. Making it work. I'm pretty sure I've come to the T. I'm pretty sure the directions say go right, keep climbing. I got the guest doors. The guest doors go to the first house. Wherever that is. Oh, I see. We clear? Got a pretty nice view over here. I like it. I like their porch. That's the main house. That's the guest house. It's pretty sweet. All right, hold on.
You know where to pull.
See how high you had to lift that thing? I'm not lifting double doors up here. Or 16-foot doors. I ain't doing it. Here's a view to this BS job site we at. See, don't get it twisted, man. I'll do stuff for people. For any contractor or whatever, man. If they're cool. The cool ones clean their job sites. The cool ones make sure there ain't shit in the way. The cool ones make sure there's help if there's some crap here. Make sure dude can get around that corner. I flew a little bit. Y'all think we're gonna do good this year? Yeah, we just made it back to the office. Long day, frustrating day. I'm out. Just in a box truck. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Thank y'all for watching.